Hi, everyone, and welcome back to your favorite English channel. I'm so happy you're here. In today's episode, we'll listen to a fun and natural conversation between two friends in Los Angeles. Julia has just moved from Madrid, Spain, to Los Angeles, California, and she's still getting used to life in a new city. Her friend Rudy meets her for coffee and cake, and they talk about how her week has been, what she's learning, and all the funny little differences between Spain and the United States. It's a warm, friendly chat that's perfect for English learners, full of real phrases, emotions, and everyday vocabulary you can use right away. So, grab your favorite drink, relax, and let's join Julia and Rudy in this cozy Los Angeles cafe. Let's begin.
Julia, this coffee smells amazing, doesn't it?
Yes, it's delicious. I think I am becoming a coffee person, Rudy.
Really? I thought Spain already had amazing coffee.
Yes, in Madrid we drink café con leche, but here it tastes more strong.
Yeah, that's right. Strong American coffee is usually bigger too. So, Julia, it's great to meet up with you finally after a long week. So tell me, how was your week?
My week was good. I'm observing and experiencing many things. Everything here in America is bigger. The coffee, the cars, the supermarkets, even the smiles.
That's true. We do everything big here. But I like that you noticed the smiles.
Yes, people smile all the time, even when they don't know you. In Madrid, we smile only when we mean it.
That's a very Spanish thing, huh?
Yes, at first I thought everyone here was flirting with me.
Oh no, I promise they're just being polite.
Now I know. But the first days I was very confused.
I bet. So you've been here, a little over a week now?
Yes, 1 week and 3 days, Rudy. It feels like a dream. I walk outside and everything feels new. The light, the sound, even the air. It's dry, not like in Madrid.
Yeah, LA air is kind of desert air, warm but dry. You getting used to it yet?
Not really. My skin is angry with me. I think I need moisturizer.
Exactly. You said it right. Moisturizer. You'll want a good one here. The sun can be brutal.
Yes, I bought one yesterday and sunscreen. I will not be a red tomato.
That's smart. So tell me, how's your new apartment? Finished unpacking?
Almost. It's small, but I love it. There's a big window in the living room and I can see a palm tree.
Nice. That's your first California moment.
Yes. When I see the palm tree, I feel like I'm really here. And I have a small balcony. I sit there at night and listen to the city
That sounds perfect. Downtown?
near Hollywood. I can even see the Hollywood sign. Very tiny, but it's there.
That's awesome. You're living the dream already.
Maybe. But some things are confusing.
Like what?
First, the washing machine. It's in the kitchen. Why?
Yeah, that's normal here.
Really? That is so strange. In Spain, it's always in the bathroom or a laundry room. I was like, why are my clothes next to my food?
That's a fair question. But yeah, a lot of apartments here just have space in the kitchen. You'll get used to it.
I hope so. Oh, and I went to the supermarket for the first time. It was like a movie. Everything so big, so bright.
Let me guess, like you got lost in the cereal aisles?
How do you know? There were so many kinds. I just wanted something simple like cornflakes, but I saw 20 kinds of cornflakes.
We love variety or confusion.
Yes, I spent 20 minutes reading labels. Gluten-free, sugar-free, high protein, low fat. I thought maybe I just eat bread.
Everyone goes through that their first time here.
I felt like a tourist. And I didn't know where the eggs were. In Spain, they are not in the fridge.
Right, you guys keep them on the shelf. Here we refrigerate them.
Yes, I was walking in circles. Finally, I asked a man, Excuse me, where are the eggs? And he said, by the milk, Mom.
That's so cute. Did you like being called ma'am?
I'm not sure. It sounds like I'm old.
In the US, ma'am is just polite, not about age.
Oh, good to know. So I am a polite lady now.
You definitely are.
You know, Rudy, I love sitting here. The people, the smell, the music. It feels like home already.
That's great to hear. You're adjusting fast.
I try. Every day I make one small adventure.
That's the right way to do it. What was today's adventure?
I took the bus.
The LA bus. Wow, brave.
Yes, I wanted to see the city like a local. It was interesting.
That's one word for it.
There was a man singing very loud, but he had a nice voice. Everyone just ignored him. I smiled and he said, "Thank you, sweetheart." I was like, oh no.
Yep, that's LA public transport. You never know what you'll get.
It's okay. I learned new words: transfer, fare, tap card.
You're picking things up quickly. Your English is really improving.
Thank you. Sometimes I feel shy, but I try to talk.
That's the best way. Mistakes are part of learning.
Yes, but sometimes people don't understand me. Yesterday I said, I'm exciting, and they laughed.
Yeah, you meant to say, I am excited. Exciting means you make others excited.
Excited, so I say I am excited, not I am exciting.
Exactly. Unless you're flirting, then I am exciting works.
Okay, I will be careful with that one.
You're doing great, Julia. Welcome to Los Angeles.
Thank you, Rudy. I am excited, not exciting.
You got it. I think you're already sounding more confident.
Thank you. I really try to practice. Every morning I speak to myself in English in the mirror.
Oh, really? What do you say?
Simple things. I say, "Good morning, Julia. How are you today?" And then I answer, "I am good, thank you." It's silly, but it helps.
That's not silly at all. That's actually a great way to start thinking in English.
Yes, I remember you told me that. To think in English, not translate. It's hard sometimes.
Yeah, it takes time, but soon your brain will just switch automatically.
I hope so. Yesterday, I was watching a movie and I understood almost everything.
That's awesome. What movie was it?
La La Land, it was beautiful. The colors, the music, the dancing, and it was in Los Angeles too.
Perfect choice. So you saw some familiar places?
Yes. The bridge, the coffee shop, the hills, I was like, oh, I know them. It made me smile.
That's how you know you're starting to belong here.
Maybe. But I still get lost. The streets all look the same.
Yeah, LA can be confusing. So many streets and freeways, you'll need Google Maps for a while.
I use it all the time. Sometimes it says turn right, but there are two rights. I panic.
That's classic. Don't worry, everyone gets lost here, even locals.
Really? Then I'm not alone.
Definitely not. But you're brave for exploring on your own.
I want to learn. Every time I get lost, I discover something new. Yesterday, I found a small bookstore. It was quiet and smelled like old paper.
That sounds amazing. Did you buy something?
Yes, an English book for beginners, but with beautiful pictures. It's called The Little Prince.
That's a classic. You'll love it. It's simple but deep.
Yes. I read one page before bed and I tried to understand without the translator.
That's a perfect routine. You'll learn vocabulary naturally.
I write new words in a notebook. Today's words were desert, wonder, and fox.
Nice choices. You're going to have an amazing vocabulary soon.
Thank you. But grammar still makes me crazy.
Which part?
The past tense. So many irregular verbs. Go, went, gone. I always forget.
That's normal. Even some Americans forget their grammar.
Really? That makes me feel better.
Of course, we say things wrong all the time, but nobody cares in conversation.
That's true. I think in Spain we care more about grammar. Here it's more free.
Exactly. As long as people understand you, that's what matters.
Good. Then I am free.
Yes, you are. So, what's been your favorite part of the week so far?
Oh, probably walking on the beach. The sand was so soft and the sky was pink.
Oh, yeah, sunsets in LA are unreal. Which beach did you go to?
Santa Monica. I walked on the pier and saw people playing guitar. It felt like a movie.
That's such a great place. Did you try the funnel cake?
Funnel cake, what is that?
It's like fried dough with sugar, totally American.
Oh, like churros?
Kind of, but flatter and sweeter. You have to try it next time.
Okay, but only a small piece. I want to fit into my clothes.
Fair enough. LA food is dangerous. Gyngchu, so good, but so heavy.
Yes, I ordered a salad and it was huge. Enough for 2 people.
Yeah, American portions are wild.
In Spain, the portions are smaller, but we eat slower and longer. Here, everyone eats fast.
True. People are always rushing. You'll notice that difference a lot.
I do. But I like that people take coffee to go. That is new for me.
You never did that before?
No. In Spain, you always sit and talk. No one walks with coffee at.
That's so interesting. I guess that's why coffee shops there feel more social.
Yes, I miss that a little. But here, I like the freedom. I can walk, drink, and watch people.
You're adapting perfectly. You sound like a local already.
Thank you. Maybe soon I will say, dude, like you.
Careful. Once you start saying dude, there's no going back.
Dude, I am ready.
Oh no, it begins.
I also learned another word, awesome. Everyone says it.
Yeah, it's our favorite word. It can mean anything.
Yes, I noticed. You say, this cake is awesome, or this traffic is awesome, even when it's bad.
You're right. Sometimes we use it sarcastically.
Sarcasm, that's hard for me. Sometimes I don't know if people are serious.
That's okay. Sarcasm takes time. You'll start to feel it after a while.
I hope so. One day, I will be funny in English too.
You already are, Julia. You just don't realize it.
Thank you, Rudy. You are a good teacher and a good friend.
Oh, that means a lot. I'm glad we met.
Me too. And next time, I invite you to my apartment for Spanish coffee.
Deal, but only if you teach me how to make it.
Of course, café con leche, it's easy. You just need love and milk.
I like that recipe already.
And maybe a little sugar, but not too much. You Americans put sugar in everything.
Guilty as charged.
It's okay. You're sweet people.
Ha, I'll take that. So what's your plan for tomorrow?
I want to visit a museum. Maybe the Getty or LACMA. I saw pictures online and it looks beautiful.
Great choice. The Getty has an amazing view of the city. You'll love it.
I can't wait. I want to see art, take photos, and maybe talk to someone in English.
That's a perfect plan. Every little thing you do in English helps you grow.
Yes. And after, I will treat myself to another coffee, maybe with a piece of cake again.
Now that's the spirit.
You know, Rudy, when I first arrived, I was afraid. New country, new language. But now I feel happy. I think this city and I will be good friends.
I'm really glad to hear that. LA has its challenges, but it's full of opportunity. You'll shine here.
Thank you. Maybe one day I will speak English so well that I help others too.
That would be awesome. See? You're already using the word right.
Yes, I learn from the best.
Okay, one last question. What do you miss most about Madrid?
I miss my family and the smell of bread in the morning. Also, my grandmother's hugs.
That's sweet. You'll find new little comforts here too.
I think so. And maybe I will make American friends who give good hugs too.
You already have one right here.
Thank you, Rudy. You make Los Angeles feel like home.
Anytime, Julia. Welcome to your new life and to great coffee and cake in LA.
Cheers to that.
And that's the end of today's conversation. We hope you enjoy listening to Julia and Rudy as they talked about life in Los Angeles. If you liked this episode and learned something new, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your favorite English channel for more fun English conversations and lessons every week. You can also support our channel and keep improving your English by exploring some amazing Udemy courses. The link is in the description and also on our channel banner. And if you like to show a little extra love, you can buy us a coffee. The link is right below and also on our channel banner. Using the links we provide really helps support this channel and allows us to keep creating more free, high-quality English lessons for you. And don't forget, you can always watch and review our videos again because sometimes one view is never enough when you're learning. Thank you so much for listening and for being part of our journey. We really appreciate you. Remember, the best way to learn English is to listen, practice, and enjoy. Wherever you are, we wish you a good morning, a good evening, or a pleasant night. See you in the next episode.